3 things you can find in your kitchen to help you have brighter skin and fight aging, also reduce the sunburn. First one is tomatoes. It has some lycopene and it helps to brighten and tighten up your pores if you have excess pores. So this is the first one you use or you need from your kitchen. The next one is yogurt. Yogurt contains a lot of lactic acid. Lactic acid helps to tighten your pores, reduce dark discoloration on your skin, and make sure that your yogurt is cold. The next one is coffee grind. Who has never heard about coffee grind? It's excellent for buffing off dead skin and brighten your skin, eliminating fine lines and wrinkle. And here is how you are going to mix them together. Oh, before we go there, we have to talk about the honey. Honey has antimicrobial properties and also helps to brighten your skin and reduce dark spots. So take your coffee grind, mix it with yogurt, mix very well until 2 of them binds together. After mixing that, you want to use just eyeball or 1 teaspoon of honey. Again, depends on the quantity you want to mix. So you can do a quantity for your entire body or just for your face, or do for your face for 2 days at least and store them in the fridge. So after you have mixed the coffee bean, coffee grind, yogurt, and honey, you might want to use the tomatoes as your sponge. That's how I use it. So I use it to rub, cleanse my face. All these powerful ingredients, when you mix them together, you get the maximum result of tighter skin, brighter skin, uneven skin tone. Get rid of uneven skin tone. Get rid of sunburn, because little do we know that even sometimes when we use our SPF cream, it doesn't touch every part of our skin or our face. Depends on how long we wear the SPF. So even if you wear the SPF, when you come home every day, you're supposed to do this facial wash to help nourish your skin. Like every day we go out to the sun, whether you have sun where you live 24 hours or not, but we need to take care of our skin, especially our face. Our skin, our face is our baby. So after you have applied this on your face, you want to wait anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. You will feel that your skin feels like it's glued together, meaning that the tightness of the pores is there. You can really even open your mouth. You can feel the tightness. So use and make sure you are wiping with cold water. Cold water is the best when it comes to especially your face. Cold water opens up your pores, gives you that freshness that you're looking for on your face, and it makes your face to really be alert for the day. It awakens you up from sleep. So if you had applied all these things on your body, the best thing for you to do is to go take a lukewarm water shower. Wash everything out. Especially for me, I do this treatment 2 or 3 times a day, and then I do my whole body once a week. So I rub on my face on Saturdays and Wednesdays, and then on Fridays I do my entire body. So guys, if this is what is going to please you, subscribe to my channel and follow along. So immediately after you take it off, use your own daily moisturizer. What I'm using here is the oil that I made for myself. I will link the I will link the instruction in the first comment box. This is my hibiscus oil. I made it from the onset, from the scratch. So apply your best moisturizer and boy, you are ready to go. Look at how my face is glowing. Thank you for watching.